How to fix Realme 14T cannot receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your network connection and then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management and scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on storage usage and here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After that, go back and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.